y'all, this is Set to Achieve. Welcome to yet another video. Today I would just like to talk about the fact that you can actually quit your 9 to 5 and that multiple sources of income is where it's at, okay? It's where it's at, it's what you need to be doing, okay? So I'm just gonna give you a little history. By the way, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, join the family, like the video, share, leave your comments, okay? So today I was watching a TikTok video and the lady was talking about the fact that she took out a loan to pay for gas and for food. And she had to wait for her next paycheck to be able to pay back, part of the loan or whatever. So my thing is, if you are seeing these signs in the economy that people are going through all these different things, first and foremost, why would you depend solely on a 9 to 5? Okay, so multiple sources of income is where it's at. All right, so back to my history. I became a registered nurse in 2010/11, okay? Started it, was miserable, it was horrible, and I knew I needed a change, okay? Fast forward to today, I have multiple streams of income, okay? And that allows me to be able to take care of my bills and also to scale, right? Because if you want to scale, you can do more of what it is that you're doing and another way to scale is digital marketing. Digital marketing allows you to scale because you're not trading time for money, right? Once you put out that video, it keeps working for you 24/7, right? Somebody can see that same video a year from now, and the link is still there in the description. They can purchase that course or program or PDF, okay? So you need to start thinking about how you're going to make money apart from that 9 to 5. It's crucial in this day and age, okay? Depending on that 9 to 5 is not smart. Depending on just one source of income to take care of everything and the fact that you're hired doesn't mean that you're going to be hired tomorrow. So just because that they're keeping you today and they're giving you a paycheck today doesn't mean that they're going to give you tomorrow, okay? So there's just too much. People say that having a 9 to 5 is security, but to me, it's the most insecure thing that you can possibly think of. Okay? The fact that they were able to get rid of 10% of Tesla, the workforce in Tesla, and I think even UPS, okay, tells you that it doesn't matter how long you've been in that company. When your income, when your salary is affecting their bottom line, they're going to get rid of you, okay? So learning how to make that money apart from that 9 to 5, learning how to not depend solely on some company or some business to take care of your family is where it's at and what is smart, okay? So I do multiple things now. So fast forward to today, I'm an independent contractor. I use my car. I have a pickup truck. I also have a minivan. And my advice to you is, if you're looking to be able to make some kind of income, like with deliveries and stuff, you do want to have a larger car, okay? You do want to have a larger car. It's just because it's not about fashion at this point. It's about survival, right? So I do that. I'm also a mobile braider, and then I have a middle man business whereby I'm able to make money with my middleman business, so basically I get customers for local businesses. I get paid for doing that, so I'm able to do that. And then I'm a digital marketer, okay? I get paid when people look at my content, they like what they see, and of course you have to develop and trust. They have to like you, they have to know you better, and then they have to trust you, okay? And people from all over the world can check out what you're doing, and then click on your link and purchase, okay? Like just today, I was right on the bus stop. I had my car had issues, so I was using the bus to go pick it up. It's just like not too far from my house, and lo and behold, I got a ding from Stan Store saying that somebody had purchased the course, okay? And they actually purchased my multiple streams masterclass bundle, okay? It includes everything that I do. It's a course, includes videos, and then different guides on exactly what it is that I'm able to do to make money, okay? It's actually, it's more like a $500 to $600 value, but I have it just for sale for $99 right in my Stamp Store. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link to my Stamp Store if you're interested in purchasing the Multiple Streams Masterclass bundle. Go ahead and purchase it. I have other guides or things that you can purchase as well to get started with digital marketing or get started having multiple streams of income. The Passive Riches bundle is also there, teaching you how to do digital marketing. It's customizable. You can rebrand it, customize it, and make it your own. Okay, so my point is, please don't depend on that 9 to 5 in order for you to to support your family. Okay, learn to make money apart from a 9 to 5. Learn to find ways. Okay, like I said, I have different ways that you can learn, and you can start. You can make money with your car. I have that in my Stamp Store. How to quit your 9 to 5 and make a full-time income with your car. Whatever you need, I got it. Okay, but my most important point is, please do not be stuck. Don't stay stuck. Okay, stop depending solely on a 9 to 5. It's gonna keep you in, it's gonna put you in bondage. Okay, you're just gonna be abused and then discarded. Okay, so if you're looking for a narcissistic abuse, a lot of workplaces are abusing their workers like nothing ever. Okay, I was watching a TikTok, and she was saying that she got her bachelor's degree, and a lot of the places that she applied to, they're asking for 3 years experience. And it's like, how do you get experience when you won't hire me? And then maybe $20 an hour at the most. So it's like, what is the point? I have nothing against education. At this point in time, we're trying to survive. The best thing is to learn how to make money apart from a 9 to 5, and learn how to scale. So once you're able to learn the methodology and everything, then you learn how to scale. And I think the best way to scale is with digital marketing, putting yourself out there, letting people know who you are, letting them know that it's possible to, as long as you've been successful. And I have been successful because I have been able to work. I have not had a 9 to 5 in years. Okay, so my bottom line now is just scaling, just putting myself out there for people to know, like, and trust me, and then purchase from me. It's as simple as ABC. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's all I have to say. Like I said, I would leave the link in the description if you're ready to get started making money apart from a 9 to 5. Okay, the link will be in my Stamp Store. If you like this video, go ahead and share it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video, and yeah, and leave your comments. Okay, till next time, peace.